Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. Today I'm participating in a collaboration which is being hosted by Bumpy as well as Joan Brodie. So since I live in a little tiny condo, this is where I'm gonna show you my coffee station. So this is my 3-tiered tray. It has all of my favorite things on there. I have some chocolate chips in here. I have some cookies. I love those cookies. In the back there is some praline as well as some sugar on the bottom. Those cookies are so good. And I have some hot chocolate, and then I also have some teas right here. So this is my little coffee station, and here is my little tray. Back here I have my sugars. This is where I keep my coffee, and I just, in my Keurig, I just have a K-cup, and when I do want a cup of coffee, I just pop it open and put my own coffee in there itself. So, yeah, we like it. In this box right here, I keep my, that's where I keep my extra teas, and so just in case I want a variety. There's actually extra varieties in there, and it's not all the same. I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but I am wearing this super stylish watch, which you could also win a $100 gift card to receive one of these for your very self or for your loved one. I'll have all the information linked below. I'd like to say a big thank you to Bumpy and Joan Brodie for hosting this collaboration. I am always so excited to show you what I have in my condo. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.